Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019 to OnePlus device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now and click OK, or click on OK right away. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!